Why don't we start with course requirements, or the knowledge you should have before taking the course? In short, I would suggest that you're comfortable with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. As far as CSS concerned, you don't have to be a CSS superman, since we will write all our CSS together, and I'll try to explain the CSS code we're writing in as much detail as I possibly can. But the general understanding of CSS will gonna go a long way. JavaScript, though, is whole another beast. I can honestly say that the more knowledge of JavaScript you currently have, the faster you're going to be able to tackle React syntax and the general ideas. At the end of the day, there is a lot of JavaScript in React, and I mean it a lot. Does that mean that you have to drop everything and spend another month on console logging, foo, bar, and bars? No, you don't. In fact, the more React you'll know, the better JavaScript developer you're gonna become. But just don't get discouraged if you have to look up some things JavaScript wise. It's normal and it is not a big deal. What is more interesting is that React utilizes a lot of ES6, the latest and greatest JavaScript version. So if you have not done that already, I would propose doing a bit of studying of newest features that JavaScript has to offer. I think that should cover requirements. And next one up, we have development environment setup.